Saguaro National Park. Saguaro. I think that's how you spell it.
What are we doing?
What do you mean, what are we doing here? We're getting a picture by the sun. Hey, how you spell Saguaro? Saguaro?
I think so.
Yeah.
Hey, Keegan. Okay, so I'm thinking while we're on this trail, I think that we should see if we can find saguaros or cactuses that have just one. Like there's one that's just one.
With no arms?
And then like one that has 2, and then 3, and then like all the way up to 10. See if we can find.
No way. That's impossible.
So like
10 arms? How many arms?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Where's 6? 6 was back there. What about that one? There's 1, 2, 3.
There's 3.
We just said that.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah. Get with the program.
Sorry.
And nature trails, a good little warm up. Literally warming up, because it is hot out here. Already heard everything from changing to my sandals. Wish I would have brought shorts. Put on more deodorant. Everyone wishes you put on more deodorant. You stink. That's a 7?
Yeah, it's got a little tiny one.
Yeah, I see it.
That's 7.
That's like a pimple. Little bunny ears. Does that look bunny ears?
And like 2 arms.
2
and
arms.
an extra arm.
And is that as a tail?
That's his tail.
I think we found one of every number. I think. Am I wrong?
I don't know. I haven't been counting. Okay, we'll start over. Here's 1.
That was good. I'm glad we did that trail.
It's over. That was quick.